So now in this session today I'm going to teach you about extrude options. Again, now click on the part, it's a new part, new, and then templates, part. Okay, again back to the workbench, select front plane and sketch, draw rectangle. Let's draw rectangle from the origin. Now I want to give some kind of relation to this drawing. Relation is like escape in this case. Okay, relation is click on this line left, again click on this line which is being perpendicular line, and you need to add relation to this. Add relation and make it equal. Okay, tick, left click. Now smart dimensions, click on the left line, we'll get some figure. As you move the mouse, this thing also moves with you. Left click. Okay, now a box appears, then make it 50. Done. So this is 50 and this becomes 50. Now for example I want to change this 50 from here, so change it 100. Look, this also becomes 100 because there is a relation between these two lines. As you can see, this is an equal sign, equal radius length, line 1. Here the same thing, you can see equal radius length, line 2. But here it's only a vertical line. This again is a horizontal line, so there is no relation between these two. If you want to change from here, then double click on this, double left click. Yes, I want to make it 50, get back to 50 again. Okay, done. Now with some extruding options, features, extruded boss base. Okay, now let's see what are the different options for extrusion. It's blind up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to the body and midplane. So I'll be teaching you blind, up to surface and midplane. Up to vertex and up to body are very similar to up to surface, so the rest you need to do, but I will be teaching you first blind option. So what is blind? In blind in blind option, first say this is 10, we'll make it 20. Look, it increases. Now I want to make it 30, so there's two arrows, up and bottom, so will increase. This is decreasing, this is increasing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now again decreasing. Look, left click, left click, left click, left click. Now I will make it 50 for example. So this is 50 and this is blind. Tick. Yes, the box is made. Now we'll rotate the box with the help of mouse, center mouse button. Hold the button and you can see different views of the box. Okay, now again choosing the front plane. This is the front plane. Left click and then make it normal. Make it small. See, I am rotating and this shows front plane. Look, it shows front plane from where the sketch has been made and from where it has been extruded. So again, this front plane, sorry, front plane normal, and make it small through zoom options. Zoom options in with the help of a mouse click. Again I will make it a sketch rectangle, and it is in line with another rectangle. Okay, again I will make it a little bit big rectangle with the help of add relation button. So for this you can see that again I can make one more rectangle with the help of this tool, but to exit this tool I need to make escape. It goes away. Now click on the left line, again click on the another line, and I want to give a relation which is again equal. Okay, now it is equal. So with the help of smart dimensions, I'll make it, let's say 70. Okay, it's big now. With the help of zoom options, make it small. Yes, this is 70, and tick. Now features and extrude. Okay, look, now this is blind. I will select up to the surface. So what happens in up to the surface? You don't know. There are two sides. Up to the surface means up to this surface or up to this surface. Let's say I will extrude up to this surface. Exactly, look, exactly up to this surface it is being extruded. Up to this surface means it is extruded on the back side. But since this particular surface is on the plane, it is not extruded. But if it was from the mid plane, or if it was more in length on this side, it would have been extruded on both the sides. So up to the surface means up to this surface or up to this surface. Let's say I want up to this surface. Okay, so this is extruded. Tick. Again select the front plane, make it normal, make it a bit small, go to sketch, go to circle, and in line to this I'll make some circle. Tick. Go to features, extrude it, and now make it isometric with the help of mouse. Make it small. Okay, up to the surface was done earlier. Now I'll use mid plane. This is mid plane. Look what is happening. The sketch was drawn on the plane, which is the blue color line. The blue color line is the sketch, and I have selected mid plane. Mid plane means from this mid plane it acts as a mid plane, and it has been extruded onto both the sides equally. This is 50 mm. Now again you can increase, you can decrease, but it is equal on both the sides from the mid plane. That's why it's mid plane. So I'll make it 100. So 100 on both the sides, and this becomes done. This is done. Look, all the three surfaces are being extruded from the same plane, and this is from the mid plane. So first option was up to the plane. Up to the plane means as much as you want, as much as you require. It gives you the extrusion needed, the needed extrusion. Up to this surface was this box, which means up to which surface. For example, if we don't know what is the length of a particular object, so up to that surface if you want to increase, so we can use up to surface. And up to mid plane means from the mid plane it is being extruded on both the sides. So this ends our extrusion session.